Hello, it's Mike from fxsignaltrader.com. What I'm going to do is show you a nice little technique which I discovered to estimate the end of a correction. It's pretty powerful. You don't need to really worry about wave counts or any of that sort of nonsense. All you have to do is quite simply measure, and it's a powerful little technique. Let me take you through it. So first of all, what we do is we are looking for an impulse move. So this is a long move where the market doesn't retrace very much. So this is a lovely impulse wave here going up to here. Actually, it ends just here. That would be the top of the flagpole. So let's make a nice little flagpole. Now it's a bit of a bendy old flagpole, and what I do is I just thicken that up a little bit so you can see it an awful lot better, because I know what it's like when it's on YouTube. You can't see very much. Okay, so we have our flagpole, bit of a bendy old flag, and quite simply all you have to do is you measure the flagpole in time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my Fibonacci time zone here. Great, MetaTrader's got all these things for free, very nice program. So I measure that in time. So I measure the length of the impulse wave in time, and I simply pick it up, take it to the top of the flagpole and drop it on. This gives me the end point for this correction. That's pretty handy to know, isn't it? The next thing I do is I measure from the bottom of the flagpole to the top. Now ideally, if that market stays in a 38% range of that impulse move up, you have a much better trade. If it starts to go into the 50 or 60, forget it, it's not as good. What you want is the market to just bobble around in the anywhere between 30 and 32%, and then quite simply all you do is you pick up a line tool, just drop it there like that on the bottom, and drop the second one on the top. Now you should start getting interested in this market at this sort of time. If it breaks out before, then that's all very well, and yes, of course it can do that. The market can do anything, but the closer it gets to this point and it hasn't broken out, the more powerful you're going to get a move. So what will be the length of a move? Well, usually the length of a move will be about the length of the flagpole projected from whatever side the breakout happens on. So if it happens on this side, I just simply pick up that flagpole, put it on the bottom of the line there and just project it down, and that's pretty much going to tell me where this market's going to move down to. So we've got some great things happening here, and all we have to do now is just wait. I mean, looks like we've got a fairly good old wait, so I'll just occupy my time doing other things, maybe looking for other markets which are a little bit more energetic. We'll come back to this one and we'll see how the trade looks.